Hello guys, so you all are aware that from January everyone will be okay. Everyone would be paying their tax. The new tax law in Nigeria says everyone will pay their tax. So guys, I want to show you guys how to register and get your TIN number by yourself. That's if you can do it. If you cannot do it, you can reach out to me. I can assist you. My number is 081-3281-3936 for a fee. So here, when you log into the JTB portal, there are two types of TIN. We have the FIRS and the JTB. So I'm going to show you the JTB for today. When you go to their home page, which is jtb.gov.ng, you will see different icons. This is home. You see, let me show you the announcement they've made. See, tax ID will be generated for Nigerians with NIN. Kyla, keep quiet. So here is an announcement. It was made September 19, 2025. So it is a very serious announcement. So if you want to get your individual TIN, you come here to individual. If it's a business TIN, you have a business number with CAC, but you've not gotten a TIN, you come here. If it's government, you come here. So for now, let me show you how to do a individual TIN, because most people don't know how to do that. You click on the individual TIN. Individual TIN. Kyla, why are you crying? So it's loading. When it loads, you will see. So you see. Okay, I later clicked on business non-individual TIN. So here you will come and you put your bye, Kyla. So here you insert your TIN details. If it's non-individual, is it limited liability? Is it private limited company? Business name. You click on business name. You put the business registration number there, and then the registered name. When you put, and then you put OK. Let's say I'm putting Abyss Designs. Can I see my business name? Number. Okay, let me paste this one that I JJ. So let me paste. I'm not sure saying keep on paste. So guys, when you are done pasting it, you see it will show on your, it will show you other details for you to input. So if it's don't have a hey. So if it's not individual, you with kid. So if you want to get individual TIN, it's the same process, guys. So guys, this is just everything you need to know. When you go to their site, there's here individual. You click, it will show you here. Insert your BVN details as correspond with your BVN slip. You know that now if you want to make transactions, guys, if your BVN, your TIN is not linked to your BVN, you will have some failed transaction. And when you're done filling this BVN, date of birth, first name, last name, you will search, then you click on I am not a robot, right? And then you click on this. When you verify You now search, everything will now show, and that is how you generate your TIN number. So guys, thank you. Do well to share this video, subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and give me a follow. Thank you guys, and do have a wonderful time till we see again. If you want me to explain any other thing to you, let me know. Yes, you can't change. No change. 500. So guys, thank you. Bye. Any money you're carrying there, make sure you return it back. Oh, you guys are disturbing me today. Oh, so guys, that's it. See 1,000 euro. You want to join my course on how to register your business by yourself? I have a course. Yeah, you can reach out to me again on 08132813936. I have a online course that teaches people how to register their businesses by themselves and make extra profit, and also commercialize it by registering for other people. Yes, and then how you can link up with how you can be an accredited agent. Thank you guys, and do have a wonderful time. I still remain your baby girl, Abiata Etiko, CEO of Abby's Designs and More. I love you. To have a wonderful time. Bye.